Hi, Candy. Good evening, Candy. Happy. Okay, well, that's good to know. Candy, did you eat dinner? Did you eat?
Okay.
Yes, you're done.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
that's good, Candy. Make yourself comfortable, Candy, and we will start with
I don't
our. We'll
have.
Okay, we will start with our class now. Okay, so in here, all you have to do is to count and fill in the graph, just like what you can see in the first one. Okay, so how many marbles? Okay, we have 9 marbles. Okay, so we're going to color it candy 9 marbles. Now, how many dolls?
Dog.
Yes, how many dolls, Candy? Hmm? We have. Okay, can you fill in? Can you fill in the graph just like this? Just like this. Or you can as well use the other one, Candy. You can just do it like this. Okay, yes. Thank you. Now, how many cards? How many cards? Okay. You want to color it fully first? Okay, there you have it. Thank you so much, Candy. Indeed, we have 6 dolls. Okay, very good. Now, how many cards? Cards. How many cards?
Car.
Yes, we have.
Car.
How many, Candy? How many?
12.
Okay, yes, we have 12. Okay, can you say 12 cards? Okay, 12 cards. Very good, Candy. That is right. Okay, so now, okay, continue first. Okay, yes, we have 12 cards. Now, how many kites? How many kites are there? Oh, you erased it, Candy. That's fine. That's fine. Let me color it for you.
5.
Okay, very good. We have 5. Okay, 5 kites. Okay, so we're going to color until where? Can you fill in? Okay, yes, that is right. Until there. Thank you. Very good, Candy. Okay, now how many games? Nice, Candy. How many games?
4.
Okay, very
4.
good. We have 4 games. That's right. Okay, 4 games. Okay. Yes, very good. And the last one, how many puzzles? Puzzles. We have
2.
very good, Candy. We only have 2 puzzles. That's correct. Thank you. Okay, so now since we're done with this one, we'll proceed to your workbook. Okay, now can you unscramble it? Candy, like for example, in here it's a card. Card. Where is the card, Candy? Can you connect it? Where is the card? Is this a card? This one, or this one? Yeah, where is the card? Mhm. Is that a card? That's card. It's C. Very good. It's the letter C. Now, what about this one, Candy? What is it? It's very good. It's a puzzle. Okay, puzzle. Where is the puzzle? Where is the puzzle? Puzzle. Okay, yes, very good. It's D. And what about this one? What is it? It's a. It's a. Can you read it, Candy? Can you read it? Marble? No, this one is not marble, Candy. This is game. Can you say game? Game. This is game. Yes, it's game, Candy. See, we only have four letters here. G-A-M-E. Game. Where is the game? Where is the game, Candy? Okay, very good. That's right. And the last one we have. Okay, yes, well done, Candy. That is the marble. Okay, marble, game, card, and puzzle. Okay, so now, Candy, let us have this one. Okay, so you have to encircle if it's a yes or no. One game. One game. Is it yes or no? One game. Okay. One card. One card. Okay. 10 marbles. Hmm. How many marbles do you have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 marbles. Candy, we have 10 marbles. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now 4 games. Okay, 6 puzzles. Okay, and 3 puzzles. 1 card. 2 marbles. Okay, thank you, Candy. Very good. That is correct, Candy. Now let us proceed to this one. Okay, so you have to form sentences here, Candy. Like, for example, I have 2 puzzles. 1, 2. Okay, I have 2 puzzles. Okay, I have 2 puzzles. Now, can you tell me, Candy, what are these? What are these, Candy? We have games. Games. How many games, Candy? How many games? How many games? Okay, 3. Can you say, I have 3 games? I have three games. Okay, yes, very good, Candy. Yes, I have 3 games. Now, what about in here, Candy? This one. Can you tell me what are these? What are these?
7.
Mm-hmm. 7 7 what? What are these? Wait. What are these?
这些是什么？
I don't know.
Oh, you forgot so easily, Candy. Okay, so I have
I have
7 marbles.
7 marbles.
Okay, yes. Marbles, Candy again. These are marbles. Marbles.
Marble.
Yes. Okay, last one now, Candy. What are these?
It's 9. 11啥呀？11、12、13、
What are these, Candy?
7、8、9、10、12、12、12.
Is it 12? We don't have 12, Candy. We only have 11. Okay,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
7,
9,
8.
10, 11. Okay, so I have
I
11.
have 11.
What are these?
What are these?
这些是什么？
牌，这些
Cards.
是牌。
Cards.
Cards.
Okay, I have 11 cards, Candy. Again, Candy, we have puzzles. Okay, can you say puzzles?
Oh,
Puzzles. Games.
puzzle.
Games.
Games.
Marbles.
Marbles.
Cards.
Cards.
Okay, yes, that is correct. Thank you, Candy. Yes. Now, let us proceed to the grammar animation, Candy, of Unit 3, Lesson 4. Okay, for a moment, Candy, let me prepare it first. Okay, let me share my screen again. And now, can you fill in the gap using the word bank? I have one. What is it, Candy? Are you okay, Candy? Now, I have one. I have one. What? I have one. What is it, Candy? What is it? Is it a puzzle, marble, game, marbles, cards, or puzzles? Is that a marble? That's not marble, Candy. Okay, so in here, Candy, we have puzzle. Puzzle. Yes, it's a puzzle, Candy. Wait, let me translate it to you. This is what it means when we say puzzle. Okay, this is puzzle.
你
Okay, puzzle.
你
Hello.
Yes, that is puzzle, Candy. Now, when we say marble, this is it.
大理石
Okay, that is marble. Marble. This is game, Candy.
游戏
Okay.
游戏
Yes, that is game.
游戏
And the last one is card.
卡
Card.
片
Cup.
卡
Yan.
片
Yes, that is card, Candy. Now, let me share my screen again. And we will continue the grammar animations, Candy. Okay, so again, these are puzzles. Okay, so again, can you tell me your answer here, Candy?
Puzzles.
Okay, very good. Now, what about here? I have
Mm,
what are these? Two. We have two. Is that a game, Candy? That is not a game. Those aren't games. Those are marbles. Okay, marbles. Yes, that is right. So this is marble, Candy, if it's only one. Marble. But we have two, right? One, two. So we'd say marbles. Marbles.
Marbles.
Mm-hmm. Now, next one, Candy. Next one. I have one. Okay, I have one game. Very good. That is correct. And I have six. I have six what? Okay, yes, very good. I have six cards. Okay, now listen and fill in the gap, Candy.
I have 3 puzzles.
What is it, Candy? I have three
Three.
puzzles. I have
Puzzles.
three puzzles. Okay, next one. Listen carefully, Candy. Listen to the audio.
I have 2 games.
Games.
Okay, very good. I have two games. Next one.
I have 6 cards.
Cars.
Okay, yes, cards. I have six cards.
I have 8 marbles.
Marbles.
Very good. Marbles. And now what about in here? Can you tell me? I have three blank and one blank.
Car.
Cars. Cars.
Cars.
Okay, I have three cars and one game. Okay, next
Three.
one, Candy, what about here? I have five.
Cars.
Okay, kites and
Car.
one. And one. What is that? It's. Can you remember it? You don't know what that is? Okay, so that is a marble, Candy. I have five kites and one marble. Okay, remember that, Candy? Marble.
Marble.
Okay, yes, very good. Now, next one, I have one blank and two blank.
Car.
Okay, I have one card and two
Balls.
dolls. Okay.
Dolls.
Yes, very good. One card and two dolls. Okay, thank you, Candy. Now let us have a quick review first. Let me see if you can name these things for a moment. So again, Candy, can you tell me what are these? What are these again? What are these, Candy?
Marbles.
Okay, marbles. What are these?
Cars.
Cards. What are these?
Games.
Okay, games. And the last one, Candy, what are these? Puzzles.
Puzzles.
Okay, yes, that's right, Candy. Now, let us proceed to your other book or other activity. We have here family, Candy. Can you tell me? Okay, wait, let me cover it first. Let me see if you know them. Okay, can you tell me who's this, Candy? Who's this?
Mom.
Okay, very good. This is mom or mother. What about this one? Who is this?
Dad.
Okay, dad
Dad.
or father. Okay, dad or
Dad.
father. Who's this? Who's this?
Brother.
Yes, it's brother. Who's this?
Baby.
Okay, baby or
This.
sister. Okay, yes, sister. Okay, now next one. Who's this?
Grandfather.
Grandmother. Grandma.
Grandmother.
Yes, and the last one.
Grandfather.
Yes, very good, Candy. That is right, Candy. Now let us listen and number it. Okay, wait. Let me see.
Page 32. B. Listen and number. 1,
Hi, Emma. Hi, Anne.
2,
Okay, hi, Emma. Hi, Anne. Okay.
Julie, my mother.
My mother. Where is mother?
3,
My father.
4,
My brother.
'Okay, very good.
5,
My sister.
Okay, and the last one.
6,
My grandmother and my grandfather. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, yes, well done, Candy. Accurate answers, very good. Now let us have this. Okay, who's this? You have to say, this is my mother. Okay, now can you tell me again, who's this? Who's this? Who's this, Candy? Can you say, this is my mother?
This is my mother.
Okay, my mother. Okay, now who's this? Who's this?
This is my father.
Okay, this is my father. Who's this?
This is my brother.
Very good. Who's this?
This is my I
Sis
don't know.
sister.
Sister. 我就是 sister.
Okay, who's this?
This is my grandmother.
Who's this?
This is my grandfather.
Okay, well done, Candy. Thank you so much for that. And that's all it for our class tonight, Candy. So thank you so much and see you again on Thursday. Good
Goodbye.
night.